Okay, so what this actually is a beautiful set here. It comes already all assembled here. So these hooks sink down over the rack and like click it in and hold it on.
Are you cutting the audio on
No.
this? Okay.
I'm not going to use the audio.
Okay.
I'm just going to put music or I'm going to chop it up. So these are the things, these things come out and there. And those are the ones with the panels, so you can put your
hard bags if you wanted to as well.
anything. You can mount literally anything to them. The roto packs, anything like that. Eh? So it's got the two different mounting holes, and then it's got the straps to cinch it all together. So that's what holds it all together. It makes it all tight on the back of the bike is the straps.